crazy. Got the whole club in a dance.
Let me tell you, we have purchased some wigs from AliExpress
for $9, girl.
By the time we took it out of the bag, it was already tangled. And we couldn't even fit it in our big ass heads. Like, we could not. Like, it just didn't.
Hey guys, what's up?
What's up?
What's up?
What's up?
So today we have a Powderroomd wig video review, honey. And stay tuned to the end, honey, because this is a motherfucking giveaway. Say what? A motherfucking giveaway.
Yes.
So we want to first of all, foremost, give Powderroomd a big thank you for sponsoring this video, you guys.
For believing in us, for supporting us. You know, it's crazy because, you know, we've always been hard workers, and growing up, you know, times have changed tremendously. Meaning, like, people don't believe in your dreams. People don't believe in what you got to offer. Knowing this individual, I never met him. I don't know him. You know, for him to believe in us and the conversations we have, like, we motivate each other, and it's just amazing. We're proud of you. We hope that you continue to blossom and your business continues to grow. You know, you're an amazing person, and I just want to say thank you from the bottom of our hearts. And we believe everybody has their own passion and their own dreams, and we support each and every one of you guys, whoever's hustling out there. So thank you so much. I hope that you continue to blossom. And it's crazy because my sister heard about your website a long time ago. I'm talking about years and years ago. And she always said, when I get into wigs, I'm going to buy from powderroomd.com. And come to find out, we bought some of your wigs and we loved it. You know, your wigs are amazing. Some people were like, oh, you know,
the first sale that we got, originally the wigs are $150. The first sale that we got, they were $75. To me, that was a steal. So
half off.
Yeah, so we will link that video down below if you haven't checked that out. So we ended up getting 4. So we love them so much, and these are the wigs that I'm always wearing in our lives. If you guys were in our lives before and asking me where's the hair from, that's where we got it from. So then this time for Black Friday, he had a huge sale talking about amazing deals. $49 for a wig, and the good thing about it is a mystery wig, so you could get a bob like this, or you could get something like what my sister's
hair
wearing.
Like this. Like I'm leaving it like this. It looks super cute. Obviously, I tucked some hair to the back, but it's beautiful, you guys. Like, obviously, I have to, you know, play around with it a little bit more, flat iron it, get some baby powder, take some of the sheen off, girl, and I'm about to do me a nice ponytail, girl. I'm about to slay this shit to the gods, okay? So, yes. I like that idea. It's like you're paying for something, but you don't know what you're getting, you know, and I like that. And he sent us some really nice wigs. Originally, I had hit him up and told him, you know, I'm going to purchase another wig. We want to do a giveaway. And he was like, you know what, I'm just going to send you one for free for your giveaway and stuff like that. And I was like ecstatic, like,
she wanted like to cry, I think.
Yeah, I told him, you know, to see how long the sale was gonna go so I could buy a couple of them, and he was nice enough to send us a wig to do a giveaway, and that's just amazing to me. Like, who does that? You know what I mean? And I just love these wigs. I love, you know,
how they feel. They're very comfortable. They fit us because we got some big ass heads. So that's one of the biggest things for me. I didn't think that this was gonna be a hit, but obviously it is. I really do love it. Now, this is synthetic wigs, so you know you gotta make sure you comb it, you maintain it, because it can get tangly. Okay, you guys, that is what synthetic wigs do.
And I'm gonna put down below his YouTube channel. They have tips and tricks on how to, you know, make your hair look more natural, how to wash it
and stuff like that, and then just more tips. So we just want to show you real quick what we ended up getting. He ended up sending us 2 cute brushes for our wigs, you guys, and they come in this little bag right here. It's like a satin bag.
Yeah, it's so pretty. Look, it has the adjustable strings right here.
Yeah,
and it says Powderroomd. Look how cute this is, you guys.
Yeah, and then we got some paddle brushes for our wigs. Look how cute
they are. Look how cute, you guys. Like, pink and blue. Like, look how bomb. Like, yes, thank you so much for that. Thank you so much. Like, come on, come on. Yes. So the next thing we have is this wig
comfort bands that he ended up sending us, which is good. This keeps your wig in place and stuff like that,
and prevents excessive tension. And he does have these on his website as well.
Yes.
Like I said, go check out his website. He does have over 300 wigs, and he does have new wigs on stock. So make sure you go check them out and support him, because he's an amazing person. And the wigs, like, this is the best wigs we've ever gotten so far. Let me tell you, we have purchased some wigs from AliExpress
for $9, girl.
By the time we took it out of the bag, it was already tangled. And we couldn't even fit it in our big ass heads. Like, we could not. Like, it just...
So right now, I just want to start off with my wig that I ended up getting. So in the front, my wig is a little bit longer, and in the back is cut like a short bob. The hair is really, really, really soft, as you can see on the screen, you guys. It's so beautiful. I love the color. I love the way it feels, and just the way it looks on me. This was one of the wigs that I ended up getting for $49, and I just love it.
The next one I have right here is this one. It goes from Ombre. It's like more of a brown on top, and then goes like to a blonde. And then the bottom, look how pretty, you guys. Like this baby blue. It looks kind of teal too. And it's just super, super pretty, super long. And I just love it. This was one of the mystery wigs as well for $49. And I just love it. So the next wig is right here, you guys. In the bag it comes 2 wig caps and a little business card. And then it comes in a little net. Looks like this. Now let me take it off. Let me take this bad boy out of the net cap. So the next wig is right here, you guys. Look how beautiful is this wig. It's this nice blue going into ombre pink. Look how beautiful it is. I love it. I love the front. As you can see, it has the lace in the front, and then it has the little adjustable straps right here at the bottom, so if you want to strap it up and things like that to make it more secure. This is such a beautiful wig, you guys. I am in love with it. So the next one we have, you guys, is this one right here. You guys, look at the color.
That's beautiful.
Look at the bombness of this. It looks like purple, but in person it's a royal blue. Baby, this stuff right here, look at the front. Of course, it has the part already in the middle, which you can pluck more hair if you want to give it like a more defined part. And then it has the lace up here as well, and then the attachment right here, these little combs, so you can attach your hair to it, and then the adjustable strap in the bottom so that your hair can stay nice and secure in place. And look how long it is, you guys. Like, this bad boy, look how thick it is. I am in love.
So right now, honey, we're about to show you the bomb ass wig that we will be giving away. So make sure you follow directions, because if you don't follow directions, you are going to be disqualified. Okay?
So one of the giveaway rules is gonna be follow Powderroomd D on Instagram. Okay, we're gonna be checking to make sure these are our rules. I had asked him if he wanted us to, you know, collab with the rules. He said, you guys do what y'all want to do. So you're gonna follow him on IG, okay? And I'm gonna make sure that you guys are following him, because I'm gonna make sure that he tells me if you're following him or not. Second of all, I want you to leave your IG name. I want you to leave enter me down below, right? And what else?
Subscribe to this. You must be a subscriber of ours, and just show him some love and tell him thank you for sponsoring the video.
And also, if you want to say why you want to win, also, you don't have to enter for you. It could be for a neighbor. If your friend has cancer, God forbid, what's the other, alopecia. If you have a friend or a neighbor that, you know, needs a wig, and I could understand hard times, enter down below. You know, enter, put your Instagram, follow him, and make sure you're subscribed to our channel.
And check the description bar, because we'll have everything listed there.
And
so
this giveaway is gonna be open for a week, meaning so in 7 days we're gonna close it. We're gonna pick the winner, and we will announce it on Instagram. We'll directly message the person, so make sure your page is on private. and we'll hit you up. So good luck everybody entering. And when I saw this wig, let me tell you something, I was hating in a good way because I wanted it.
She wanted it, and I was like, oh my god,
listen,
it's beautiful.
I was ready to switch one of the ones that we have right now for this one because that's how beautiful it is. When I tell you this shit is bomb, it's bomb.
So this is the wig right here, you guys. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my god, the hair is so soft. It is super, super long. Like, look at that.
It's like an emerald green, you guys. An emerald green. Like, when I tell you I want this wig for myself and I am going to purchase it my damn self, I want this wig. Like,
it's
seriously.
Beautiful.
Like, you can make a ponytail. Like, look at that. Hair for days, bro. Look at that. Oh my god, I am in love. Look at that color, you guys. One of my favorite colors. So make sure you enter. Make sure you follow the rules. Thank you so much, Powderroomd D, for this giveaway. Make sure you rate his Instagram. Tell him that we sent you. Thank you so much.
Let us know if you're gonna be purchasing any of the mystery wigs, and tag us on Instagram. Let us see pictures. Comment down below, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.